pink boots. Nice pink sweater, because it's kind of cold out. This nice ready hat for you too, you can take along with you. Should we go? Yeah. Yeah. Excited? Did you have a good night's sleep? I was prepared for you.
We're going for a daddy-daughter date again.
Again? Oh, you love those, don't you? Yeah, just me and you. Here we go. Get some donuts for the guys. Do a little daddy-daughter date this morning. We're getting some donuts. To go. We'll give you a dozen. You can get any of them on the back wall, okay? I got it. Can you get the door for me? I'm excited. Excited for some donuts. Very special task. You gotta hold the donuts. Okay, you got them. They're all yours. Another roller. He's huge. You do not want to get rolled over by that roller. Like it, yeah. Check that out.
This is one of your workers' place.
Yeah, it is our worker's place. Wow, he's got a tractor over there. That's an air seeder. Have you ever seen one before? Let's go check it out. Don't forget your hat. Thank you.
Yeah.
Do you see what this says right here? This
Daddy.
Says ready trailer. Yep.
Hey, I know who Ready. Ready's here.
Yeah, Ready's here. The big unveil. You want to come take a peek?
Yeah.
Come over this side. Oh man.
Yummy.
Wow.
Yum.
Which one are you gonna take?
Oh, there's a cat here.
What? There's a cat? Wow. You never know what you're gonna find on the farm. So while she's playing with the cat, let's take a look at what the guys have done here. Like we talked before, we're doing all the closing wheel pivots, the press wheel pivots. We're doing new seed tabs. We're doing the heavy duty closing and press wheel springs. And then we're also gonna be adding some spiked plates on, about 20 of these, mostly in the wheel tracks. And so you can see they've made really good progress. They've driven out all the old bushings and everything else. And hey, look at that. They made it. Hey guys. But yeah, this is the Needham poly bushing greaseless kit. Really good pivot. And everything's cleaned out and installed. You can see down the whole row, or down the whole rank here. They've got everything cleaned out, pressed in, installed. A lot of the discs are already back on and torqued. And over here, they're already starting to put the press wheel arms on. And here you can see the square heavy duty press wheel spring, and they're moving right along here. So let's take a look at the front of the machine. They've got all the discs hung, so they're making good progress here. Hey guys. But yeah, glad to have you guys back. Looks like you guys made good progress, so yeah, it won't be long. You guys will have this off. So I got a new tool for you guys to try. Have you guys ever seen this?
Oh yes.
So I've never used one of these, but they're for removing these dust caps. So I bought two different tools, but this is one of them. Oh my goodness, this is gonna save the day. That sure beats prying it off with a screwdriver and
Bending one side up.
wrecking it more than, so yeah, that should help for the 20 we got to do here. Yeah, this tool should save a lot of time and hopefully not wreck the dust cap as bad. Thanks, Sadie. They said, did you hear what they said? They said thanks for the donuts. So, good progress here. These guys will be wrapping up today. They just got the rest of the assembly left. All the disassembly is done. And they will be on their way. We'll be done. So, excited to get this thing completed and ready for plant 22, I guess. All right, well, we should probably wrap up and head back, huh? Okay. Well, Sadie, was that worth it? Was that worth waking up early? Yeah, you got to see what? Cat, cows, calves, I mean, horses, and you had a donut. Wow, sounds like a fun adventure. That's some of the fun things that we get to do when we're out here, is just see how farmers live every day, and a lot of times they have some really cool stuff out here that you just can't have in the city, and this is an example of one of those things, right? Yeah. So we get to enjoy other people and meet new people, and they get to share their fun things with us too, right? Yeah.